Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down crypto transfers step by step. Today, we're tackling how to send BNB from Gemini to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will help you move your Binance Coin securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your portfolio or just switching wallets, let's get started. First off, before we dive in, make sure you have a verified Gemini account with BNB in it and a Coinbase Wallet app installed on your device. Always prioritize security. Double-check your wallet addresses to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 1. Open your Gemini app or website and log in securely. Head to your dashboard and locate your BNB balance. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Go to the Withdraw or Transfer Out section. Select BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to send. By 2025, Gemini might have updated interfaces, but look for the Asset Selection menu. Step 3. Enter the amount of BNB you wish to transfer. Keep an eye on any transaction fees, which could vary based on network congestion. Then, paste your Coinbase wallet address. Grab this from the Coinbase app under the Receive tab. Step 4. Review all the details carefully. Make sure the network is set correctly, like BNB Smart Chain, to ensure compatibility. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with any required two-factor authentication. Step 5. Sit tight. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain. Once it's done, open your Coinbase Wallet app and check your balance to confirm the BNB has arrived. A few quick tips for 2025. Use hardware wallets for extra security, stay updated on crypto regulations, and always test with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. This simple process can save you time and hassle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.